Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming iOS 18 and QuickNote are active in settings. This ensures the feature appears when you swipe. Next, open Notes or trigger a QuickNote with a corner swipe. That immediate gesture creates a floating canvas so you can capture ideas fast. Once visible, tap the title area to name the note, or leave it untitled to save time. Make sure to pick whether the note links to the current app so later context is preserved. Now capture your content, type or paste text, insert images, or use Apple Pencil to scribble. These options let you choose the fastest input for the situation. Once content is in place, use the formatting bar to create headings, bullet lists, checkboxes, or emphasize text. This organizes the note so you can scan later. Also add links or tags to connect the QuickNote to apps or projects, because those connections make retrieval and finish by saving and organizing. Pin the QuickNote for quick access, move it into a folder, or convert it into a full note for richer editing later. Make sure iCloud Sync is enabled so the note appears across your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. This keeps your work consistent. If the QuickNote gesture or icon disappears, toggle QuickNote in Settings, check corner swipe options, and restart the device. This resolves most gesture-related problems quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.